About the doorbell security systems that can cost a lot of money. Kangaroo has done a better system. It's a photo doorbell. It comes with your chime, so you get to keep the doorbell. And here's the most amazing part about this deal. It is absolutely incredible because this actually includes, are you ready? So this is what you're getting, all right? It is your doorbell camera, all right? And it will provide your doorbell sound. But then this comes with $300 of package theft protection. So if somebody does come up and steal some of your packages, you are covered for $300. It's like getting insurance that comes with this, and it's an amazing deal. Jacqueline Friedlander is joining us. Jacqueline, I love the system itself. It is a great system, and in a lot of cases, you can pay like 4 times this price for some of the other systems, which frankly, I own one of them. I love it, but when you can do this at $43.99, 3 flex payments on it, then you can afford to do this at the front door, at the back door. You can afford to gift this. It is a great item, but just the package theft insurance, so to speak, the package theft coverage is crazy.
And you also get 365 days of the cloud storage. So when you go to your app, you can look back and see all of the photo stitches that anyone who has come to your door. I'm going to show you also how easy this is to install. So you put the app on your phone, you plug the chime in, and then this is your installation. You don't need a hammer and nails.
Love that.
You pull it off, stick it on, look at that, and then ready? I'm gonna ring it, and I'm gonna show you how quickly you hear the chime and immediately get a notification on your phone that you have somebody at the door. And the best part about this will even work if you're on the phone. I was in the garage the other day talking with my mom, and I got that notification so I could see who was at my front door without even having to go to the front door. It was fantastic. And then, as you mentioned, you get the porch theft protection, because did you know that every 4 seconds in this country, a package gets pinched?
It's incredible.
Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
So
and
during...
it's shocking, you know?
And during gifting season, it's more important than ever to stay protected. You get the front door security, you get the chime, you get the 365 days of cloud storage. So if something happened a week ago, you can just look back and see that. Plus, you get the $300 of protection. So you can get one for the front door, you can get one for the back door. My mom put one on her back door, so now when people come up to the deck, they don't have to knock. She can hear them from anywhere in the house because she has her chime. And again, even if she's on the phone, the chime will notify you while you're talking on the phone, which is fantastic. You can hear it all over the house, and you can hear it when you're not even in the house. You can hear it if you're 20 miles away because you get that notification right to your phone. I'm gonna ring it again because I love the chime. Ready? There's the sound. There's my notification right there at the top. And I also want to show you how great the night vision is on this. I have a night vision video of someone, actually it's me. I came up to my door in the middle of the night, and you can see how great the video comes out. Look at this.
Which is incredible, really. At
Look how clearly you can see the...
Yeah, it's incredible. $43.99. What I love so much about it is you just stick it up, okay? There's virtually no installation whatsoever. Stick it up and you put it anywhere you want to, okay? So front door, back door. I love it for my daughter. She's off in college. She's in an apartment. I can't really install something there. I don't want to spend a lot of money on a security camera. This is perfect for that. You're gonna know who's there. You will have it recorded because this actually comes with your cloud storage for a year. Usually you have to pay for that. Usually you're gonna pay more for another system. And usually you're not gonna get all of these features, the night vision, the easy installation. Again, just stick it up. You get the doorbell that actually functions. You get the alert instantaneously. All of these things, and then you get a $300 package theft protection, so that if something does happen, number one, you're gonna be able to see who did it, you know, which is kind of very helpful, and it will be stored because you have the cloud, and that is included with this for a year. And then you have your package theft protection, a $300 value on that if something should happen. This is just a great time, Jacqueline, to really think about what matters when it comes to gift giving. I'm a very practical person. My dad was in the military. It is all about feeling safe in your home, knowing what's going on. This is the way that you can do it, but so crazy affordably compared to some of the other systems that are out there. And you know, when you have the night vision, when you have the instant alerts, when you have the storage, that is a great offer. But even with all of those other things, what nobody else is doing is giving you that package theft coverage, $300 worth of that. I think that's amazing, absolutely amazing. If you want a couple of these, grab them while we have them. Jacqueline, it's a really terrific system.
It's great. And most crimes actually happen between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. when they think people aren't home. So if you're not home, this is great because you're not going to get pirated. But if you are home, they still just, I mean, it can disappear in 4 seconds. So that $300 of protection is so crucial, especially right now when they know everyone is ordering holiday gifts and things like that. And this is even great for outgoing, because if you are sending something to somebody and you put it there and they're supposed to scan it and leave a receipt and things like that, if they don't do that, you have your proof that it was taken and should be delivered wherever it's going. So you are covered with this. This will keep your home safe, and it will show you so that you have full visibility of everything that's going on in your home, front door, back door, wherever you put it.
Wherever you put it. And apparently people are putting it everywhere because you guys are ordering multiples of these. So if you want a couple of these, grab them while we have them. Are at great sale price today, $43.99. You can put them on flex payment. It means you split it up on your credit card if you would like, $14.66. So get it home and try it. And here's what we've done. We have already extended our holiday return policy. You can get this home and use it all throughout the entire rest of the year and January. If you find that it's not exactly what you wanted, you have until the end of January in which to return it. But if you don't have it, and that gift or that package gets ripped off, you're not gonna have the coverage that this gives you. So you're getting that doorbell, you're getting the security system, you're getting that camera so you can see what is happening. You will get an alert on your phone. You're getting 365 days of cloud storage. So everything that this takes a picture of is going to be stored so that you can go back and look it up. And then you're getting the $300 package theft reimbursement. You're getting all of those things. This is a fabulous deal. And if you're thinking, well, is it a really good system? Jacqueline, tell them again the features. I mean, just the fact that it works as beautifully in the complete darkness as it does in full broad daylight.
It does. It has the great night vision. So when someone comes up to your door in the middle of the night, you can see exactly who it was. I mean, look how clear, because it takes a series of photos and then those photos become a moving image like that, so you can very clearly see the faces. It's also super easy to install. I showed you at the beginning. I'm just going to show you again. That is how you install it. You peel that down and stick it on, and you are ready to go. It comes with the batteries inside. You don't even have to worry about batteries.
That's crazy.
You just press it. There's your chime, immediate notification, night vision, comes with batteries, super easy to install. And if you don't necessarily need the camera portion, but you live in a place that only has a door but no doorbell, like an apartment, this is great for that too. This is the doorbell solution if all you need is the doorbell.
And you know what? If you go and just buy a doorbell at some of those home stores, you will pay that much just for a doorbell. This is a doorbell security system, $300 worth of package theft coverage, included an entire year of cloud storage. It is an awesome buy, but it is flying, guys. If you want it, get a couple of them, because most people are buying multiples of these. Jacqueline, love the system. Get it home and try it for yourself. And it is a pretty chime, isn't it?
It is. I love the sound.
There it is. All right. And here it is. It can be at your house in 7 to 10 days if you would like it. So stay in the ordering process for this. We want to give you a little